Hi there, welcome back. In this tutorial I am going to show you how I approach my scene in Blender. For every animation I start with Animatic, and in this video I'll show you how to approach Animatic in Blender. So for animatic or for animation I usually do rough sketch, rough drawing, and you can see there are some drawing. Okay, so this is done in Blender in the 2D animation workspace. Alright, now you can see this is the timeline, and you can see there is auto keying enabled. Okay, and I gone through frame by frame. Okay, basically I approach by pose to pose animation. Okay, if you don't know the pose to pose animation, it is basically just setting up the key poses first and then do the in between. Okay,
I don't know.
this is the pose. You can see this is the first pose, and for the turnaround this is the last pose. Okay, and there is some subtle overlapping actions going on here, and in the middle I just smashed it. Just you can see this is the squash pose. You can see there is smears, like very stretchy thing. Okay, it is called smears in the animatic. In the old cartoony Disney animation you often do such things. There are lots of smears and I love it because smears gives you more fluidity in your animation, right? Pose here our character is seeing this way, and the second pose, this is the anticipation pose. Here you can see it is getting prepared for the next action, and in the middle you can see this is the anticipation. This is the very squashed pose, and this is the in between, and then character finally overshoot and then settle. Okay, so this is the thing. For every action there is these things going on. Okay, you have to do all of these things to make your animation smooth. As you can see here, I did not draw very clear line. I just approached the animatic with just rough sketch, and you can see there are some 7 or 8 drawing and it looks quite fluid, right? Because I focus on the line of action, and you can see this everything here going, there is a line of action. You can see each thing has this kind of line of action. Okay, and this line of action will define the fluidity of your movements. Okay, this is very important. Another thing that a beginner always ask and face is that when I was learning 5 years ago the animation, I had a question in my mind that how many drawing I have to draw to make the animation fluid. Okay, I think lot of you had the same question in your mind, and you ask like how many drawing. Okay, how many drawing I have to draw to make the animation look fluid. Okay, so there is no any simple straightforward answer for that, but from the experience point of view, from drawing to make your action animation look fluid. Okay, with 8 drawing it will not be like very fluid, but yeah, you can get something like this. Okay, it is looking like much fluid, right? Okay, the another thing I want to say that what defines the fluidity of your action. Okay, what is the thing why things some animation looks fluid? It is because the line of action. Okay, line of action and the curve and the C shape and S shape will define the action. Okay, you can see the line of action, you can see there everything. You can see, let me show you something that you can see here. You can see this is there is a dragging. You can see this thing, this the hair, whatever you are, tentacles or hair, whatever you can call. You can see it is dragging and then it settle. Okay, so for every each part of the body you have to focus on. Okay, and which part is more fluid, which part is more organic, which part is heavy, which part is light. So for secondary action movement, like for this, for the hair, I go for the every secondary action I go straight ahead animation, okay, for the secondary action, and for the main action I go the pose to pose, okay. For each action you have to apply all of the animation principle, okay, to make this animation look fluid, okay. So this is the thing, guys, and I think you got some idea, right? I think your animation will look much better from now if you apply, okay. Don't skip this point, okay. You have to draw some 8 or 7 poses, something like this drawing, okay, to make your animation look fluid, okay. For every animation I do approach this thing, okay. This is the thing, when I was learning I did not skip all of this thing. I just to draw 2 or 3 drawing and then I play. Why on my animation do not look great?
Are you stupid or something?
It's because I did not understand the timing and spacing and all, and this is the thing, okay. So I think you got some values, and if you want to get some more tutorial and want to support me, guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. Here I give all the updates and my new courses, and if you want to learn more you can see my courses, links are in the description. So see you in the next tutorial, and if you want to learn anything specific, do comment on the description. I will definitely make a tutorial on that. See you and happy animating.